making $3.25 for 30 minutes questions. Making money online gets so much easier with this website. Guys, this one is specifically for Nigerians. So if you're a Nigerian, you'll be looking for one easy way to make money just doing simple tasks with your phone, then this is the video you need to watch. This website will pay you as high as $3.25 for every 30 minutes you spend doing simple tasks. Best part is it's easy to sign up. You can do this with your mobile phone, just as you can see on my screen right now. This one is specifically for Nigerians. The payment threshold is so good that it's easy to attain. The payout option is also very amazing because you can cash out without a PayPal account. So if you don't have a functional PayPal account, you can still do the task, withdraw your money right from this website with the two payment options they have. Now I'm going to explore all of them in this video. Before we talk about all of this, please do me a little favor. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And if you've not joined the family yet, please join us by clicking on the subscribe button below and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish amazing videos like this. With that said, let's get into today's video. So this is the website and it says respond to paid surveys in Nigeria and earn up to $3.25. I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up, but before we do that, let me walk you through other things you need to know on this website before we get started. There are 3 steps it takes. The first one is to join the platform by signing up, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. Then you answer survey questions. As soon as you submit your response to the surveys, you get paid for that. Scrolling down, it says join this platform and earn money by answering paid surveys on consumption trends in Nigeria. So signing up on this website allows you to get rewarded for the things you use, even for sharing your knowledge, talking about trends in Nigeria. Once you complete the survey questions, you get rewarded for that. And to me, this is pretty much getting paid up to $3.25 for 30 minutes time you spent answering questions or talking about trends in your country. It's obviously worth it. Now, as we go down, I'm going to show you how much you get paid per minute you spend on this website. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Now, one outstanding thing about this website I love so much is that they have payment options that are friendly to us as Nigerians. So wherever you are, it's no longer a problem of getting a PayPal account that can receive money or not, because the payment options are something anybody can get without stress. I'm going to show you that as we scroll down. Now, if you look at this, they also have a blog site just in case you need more questions to be answered. They have an app, which is something you can use with your mobile phone. As soon as you sign up on this website, you download the mobile app with your mobile phone on the go. You can take these surveys and get paid for each and every task you completed. Like I said in my previous videos, businesses and companies need your opinion, your idea, your contribution. So they want to know what you think regarding their product or their services. And that's why when they conduct a market research, they want you to just share your opinion with them, and then you get rewarded for doing just that. So here are the 2 apps, iPhone and Android. So whichever phone you are using, you are eligible to sign up and start getting paid doing simple surveys on this website. The name of this website is Triaba, and the link is contained in the description of this video. So click on the link and it's going to bring you to this page. Now let's look at the payment options we have and how much you get paid per minute you spent on this website. It takes such a short time to get paid on this website, and this is something I find very interesting, which is why I'm sharing this with you. Now, first is that how much you get paid on this website depends on 2 things: the type of survey you take and the duration of time you spend answering the questions. So there are 2 payment options you can get here. The first one is virtual Visa debit card. With this virtual card, you can access your fund anytime, any day, and make purchases also. So you can withdraw your money, and you can also use the money you accumulated on this website to purchase things online. So on the payment threshold, you need to make at least $10 before you are eligible to get a virtual card from this website. Once you reach this threshold, you'll be emailed your details on how to go about getting the card, activating it, and then how to withdraw your money. The second payment option is G-code. This is also a virtual gift code. So to get this code, you need to get up to 100 points. With a G-code, you can also redeem your gift card. Now let's look at payment options for Nigerians. Let's look at how much you can withdraw from this website per time. If you look at this, it says with a virtual debit card, you can withdraw $10. With also the G-code, you can also withdraw $10. That means basically what you can withdraw from this website per time is $10, and I think it's fair enough. So if you have like $50, you can make your withdrawal 5 times and the money will be sent to your account. Now here comes the interesting part, how much you make per minute on this website. So if you spend 2 minutes on this website answering survey questions, you make 13 cents. With 4 minutes, you make up to 25 cents. And if you spend 14 to 15 minutes answering survey questions, you earn $1. And if you're able to spend 15 to 20, 16 to 18 minutes, you make $1.25. And that's pretty much. Let's get down to the end of it. Let's scroll down. So if you spend 30 minutes on this website answering survey questions, you get paid as high as $2.50. And the more minutes you spend, the more your money increases. Guys, this is very interesting and it doesn't cost anything to get started. I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up. Let me show you exactly how to sign up on this website so you get started as soon as possible. So to sign up, all you need is scroll down here and click on this button that says sign up. So scroll down and select your gender, put your email address, password, and then your date of birth. So once you're done putting in your date of birth, scroll down here and read the terms and conditions. Once you agree with what is contained, click on I agree and then you click on register. Once you sign up here, in a few minutes, you're going to receive a notification in the email address you supplied that allows you to get started immediately. Now, one other important thing that you need to also be concerned is not just about signing up, but how long does it take for you to get your first task? So here is what they have to say. You should receive your first paid survey shortly after you've submitted your information through our sign up form. And the survey will be sent to the email address that you provided. Then it goes on to say that you are eligible from the very moment you signed up to receive surveys. Therefore, you could receive an invitation right away. Generally speaking, however, you should receive your first survey within 2 to 3 weeks of sign up. It really depends on your profile information and the current needs of the organizations. Here is a quick tip to help you land a lot of surveys. While signing up on this platform, think of those information about you that would help you make you the right candidate for most of these surveys. For example, your years of experience. You want to talk about relevant experiences you have that employers are looking for or researchers are looking for. Level of education. You also want to talk about your level of education. Supply the highest level of education you have. And you know, the higher you have, the better chances you stand of getting those opportunities. Please do me a little favor. Give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you've not joined the family yet, please join us by clicking on the subscribe button below and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish amazing videos like this.